Hello students, welcome to another video. Find the all common tangents of the circles x square plus y square equal to 9 and x square plus y square minus 16x plus 2y plus 49 equal to 0. Now solution. Given circles are x square plus y square is equal to 9, x square plus y square minus 16x plus 2y plus 49 equal to 0. Here we should find centers and radius from these two circles. Center C1 equal to 0 comma 0, R1 equal to, this is 9 is 3 square. 3 square means R equal to 3, R1 equal to 3. Here 2G is equal to minus 16, G is equal to minus 8. 2F equal to 2, F is equal to 1, C equal to 49. Okay, C2 is equal to minus G comma minus F. That means 8 comma minus 1. R2 is equal to root over G square plus F square minus C. Root over minus 8 whole square plus 1 square minus 49. That is 64 plus 1 minus 49. 64 plus 1 is 65 minus 49, root 16, that equal to 4. Okay, R1 equal to 3, R2 equal to 4, C1 equal to 0 comma 0, C2 equal to 8 comma 1. First you should find centers, the distance between the centers. C1, C2 equal to root over 8 minus 0 whole square plus minus 1 minus 0 whole square. 8 square is 64, minus 1 whole square is plus 1, that is root 65. Okay, R1 plus R2 is equal to 3 plus 4, that equal to 7, that means root 49. Root 49 is 7. C1 C2 is root 65, R1 plus R2 is root 49. C1 C2 is big value, R1 plus R2 is small value. C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Therefore, given two circles are do not touch each other. Do not touch each other. One circle is exterior the other. One circle is exterior the other. Okay. That means okay. C2 here C1. P and Q. Here having four common tangents. Two are direct common tangents, two are transfer common tangents. R1, this is R2. Q divides C1 C2 bar in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. P divides C1 C2 bar in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. P divides C1 C2 bar in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. P divides C1 C2 bar in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. C1 C2 P R1 R2. C1 is 0 comma 0, C2 is 8 comma minus 1, R1 is 3 is to R2 is 4. Okay, externally P is equal to 3 into 8, 24 minus 4 into 0, 0 by 3 minus 4, comma 3 into minus 1 minus 3, 0 into 4, 0 minus 0 by 3 minus 4. 24 by minus 1, comma minus 3 by minus 1. Okay, P is 24 comma minus 24 comma 3. Okay, here two direct common tangents is there. The tangent passes through the point P with slope m. The equation of the tangent passes through minus 24 comma 3 with slope m is, this is x1 y1, y minus y1 into y minus y1 means 3 into m into x minus x1, minus into minus plus. Okay, this is equation number 1. This can be written as y minus 3 equal to mx plus 24m. This implies mx minus y plus 24m plus 3 is equal to 0. Okay, the perpendicular distance from C2 to the line mx minus y plus 24m plus 3 equal to 0, that is equal to R2. R2 is equal to the perpendicular distance from C2. C2 is 8 comma minus 1 to the line equation number 1. R2 is 4. You should take, this is R2 is 4, that is equal to mod m into 8 minus into minus plus 1 plus 24m plus 3 by root over coefficient of x is m square plus minus 1 square. Root of 1 plus m square taking left side, which implies 4 into root of 1 plus m square is equal to mod 24 plus 8, 32m plus 4, 3 plus 1, 4. That implies 4 into root of 1 plus m square, in mod 4 common, 8m plus 1. 4, 4 get cancelled. Squaring on both sides, square root cancel. 1 plus m square equal to 8m plus 1 whole square. This can be written as 1 plus m square is equal to 8m whole square is 64m square, a square plus b square plus 2ab plus 1 plus 16m. Okay, 1 1 cancelled. This implies 64m square minus m square plus 16m is equal to 0. This implies 63m square plus 16m is equal to 0. That implies m is common, 63m plus 16 equal to 0 implies m equal to 0, 63m plus 16 equal to 0. Now, case 1, m is equal to 0. The equation of tangent can be written as y minus 3 is equal to m into 0 into x plus 24. This can be written as 0 into something 0. Y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the one direct common tangents. Case 2, m is 6m plus 16 equal to 0 implies 6m not 63m plus 16 equal to 0. 63m is equal to minus 16. m is equal to minus 16 by 63. m value substitute in direct common tangent. Y minus 3 equal to m into minus 16 by 63 into x plus 24. 63 taking right side. 63 into y minus 3 minus 16 into x minus 16x minus 24 into 16 384. Okay, this implies these two terms taking left side plus 16x 63 into y plus 63y minus 189 plus 384 equal to 0. This can be written as 16x plus 63y. 384 minus 189 is plus 195 equal to 0. These two are direct common tangents. Therefore, y minus 3 equal to 0, 16x plus 63y plus 195 equal to 0 are direct common tangents. Direct common tangents. Q divides C1 C2 bar in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Q divides R1 is to R2. Q divides C1 C2 bar in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Okay, C1 C2. C1 is 0 comma 0. C2 is 8 comma minus 1. Q R1 is to R2 3 is to 4. Okay, Q is equal 3 into 8 24 plus 4 into 0 0 by 3 plus 4 comma 3 into minus 1 minus 3 4 into 0 0. 3 into minus 1 minus 3 4 into 0 0 by 3 plus 4. Q is 24 by 7 comma minus 3 by 7. Okay, these two are transfer common tangents. Here transfer common tangents are these two. Okay, the common tangent passing through the point Q, okay, with slope m. The common tangent passes through 24 by 7 comma minus 3 by 7 with the slope m is y minus y1 minus into minus plus y plus 3 by 7 equal to m into x minus 24 by 7. This can be here LCM is 7. 7y plus 3 is equal to m into 7x minus 24 by 7. 7 cancel. This can be written as 7y plus 3 is equal to 7mx minus 24m. Okay, this is number 2. Okay, this can be written as 7mx minus 7y minus 24m minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, the perpendicular distance from C2 to the line 7mx minus 7y minus 24m minus 3 equal to 0 is equal to R2. R2 means 4 is equal to from C2. C2 7m, C2 value 8 comma minus 1, center C2 8, 7 into minus 1 minus 24m minus 3 by root over 7m whole square plus minus 7 square. Okay, that implies 4 is equal to 56m plus 7 minus 24m minus 3 by root over 49m square plus 49. Is 4 is equal to, in numerator 4 common, 8m plus 1, 8 into 4 32, 1 into 4 4 by 7 into root of m square plus 1. 4 4 cancel, this taking left side, 7 into root of m square plus 1 is equal to 8m plus 1. Squaring on both sides, 49 into m square plus 1 is equal to 8m plus 1 whole square. 49 into m, 49 into m square, 49m square plus 49. 1 into 49, 49. This is a plus b whole square. 64m square plus 1 plus 16m. Okay, these two terms taking right side, 64m square minus 49m square plus 16m plus 1 minus 49 equal to 0. This can be written as 64 minus 49, 15m square plus 16m minus 48 equal to 0. Okay, 15m square minus 20m plus 36m minus 48 equal to 0. That implies 5m common, m minus 4. 36 minus 20 is 16m. 48 into 15 value, 36 into 20 value is same. Plus 36 common, m, sorry, 3m here. 3m minus 4. Okay, here 12 common, 3m minus 4 equal to 0. That implies 3m minus 4 into 5m plus 12 equal to 0. This can be written as, now case 1, case 3. Here 3m minus 4 equal to 0 implies 3m is equal to 4 implies m is equal to 4 by 3. Substitute in equation number 2. 2 implies y plus 3 by 7 is equal to m into 4 by 3 into x minus 24 by 7. This implies here LCM 7, 7y plus 3 equal to 4 by 3 into 7x minus 24 by 7. 7 7 cancel. 3 into 7y plus 3. 3 into 7y plus 3 equal to 4 into 7x minus 24. Okay, 21y plus 9. 3 into 3, 9. 28x, 24 4s are 96. This implies 28x minus 21y minus 96 minus 9 equal to 0. This implies 28x minus 21y. 96 minus 9 is minus 105 equal to 0. Here 7 common, 4x minus 3y, 15 5s are 105, 15 7s are 105, that equal to 0. Implies 4x minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0 is the one transfer common tangent. 5m plus 12 equal to 0. This implies 5m is equal to minus 12, m is equal to minus 12 by 5. Substitute in equation number 2. 2 can be written as y plus 3 by 7 is equal to m into m means 12 by 5 into x minus 24 by 7. That implies here LCM 7, 7y plus 3 equal to minus 12 by 5 into 7x minus 24 by 7. 7, 7 cancelled. 5 taking left side, 5 into 7y plus 3 is equal to minus 12 into 7x minus 24. This can be written as 7 into 5, 35y plus 15 equal to 12 into 7, 84 minus 84x minus into minus plus 24 in 12 into 24, 228. 288. Okay, this implies these two terms taking left side, 84x plus 84x plus 35y plus 15 minus 288 equal to 0. This implies 84x plus 35y minus 288 plus 15 minus 273 equal to 0. Okay, here common element is 7. 12x 12 into 7 84 plus 5y minus 39 into 7 273. So 7 taking this as 0 by 7 0. 12x plus 5y minus 39 equal to 0. This is the another transfer common tangents. Therefore, the transverse common tangents here plus. Okay. The transfer common tangents 4x minus 3y minus 15 equal to 0, 12x plus 5y minus 39 equal to 0. Okay, that's enough. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.